Good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is for grade 7 and 8, K-12 Consumer Electronics Servicing, Lesson 2, Mensuration and Calculation. I'm going to teach you how to get the value of carbon resistors by solving with the use of our tabulation table or carbon resistor tables. Okay, we have here in the board, we have the 4-band carbon resistors color coding reading. What is a resistor? Resistor is an electronic component used to reduce or oppose the current in an electrical circuit. Okay, ito siya. May iba't ibang kulay ang bawat resistors. Okay, sa ating table ay nakalagay dito. Diba itong resistor ang unang kulay or bar na tawag na first significant digit. Ang pangalawa ay tinatawag na second significant digit. Ang pangatlo naman ay multiplier. At ang pang-apat naman ay tinatawag na tolerance. Ang resistor natin ay may iba't ibang color, no? We have the black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white. Okay, we have the gold, silver, and no colors. Okay, sa first significant digit, ang black is 0. And second significant digit is 0. Multiplier wala. Brown is 1. Second significant digit is also 1. The multiplier is 1, 0. Okay, the red color 2, 2, and then 2 zeros. Orange 3, 3, and 3 zeros. Okay, we have the yellow, we have the 4 and 4 zeros. Green, the value is 5. Second significant digit is 5 and 5 zeros. Okay, the blue, we have 6, 6 and 6 zeros. Okay, violet, we have 7, 7. Okay, wala dito sa multiplier dahil masyadong mataas ang value pa. More than a million. Okay, the gray, we have 8, 8, wala. White, 9, 9. Okay, wala. Ang gold ay makita lamang ang multiplier na 0.1. Sa tolerance ay plus or minus 5%. Silver naman ay 0.01. Plus or minus 10%. And no color is plus or minus 20%. Paano ba pagkuha ng value ng resistors? Okay, so makita ng kanyang color ay napakadali lamang na kung paano natin kukunin ang kanyang value. Okay, ang halimbawa dito ang color na ating makita dito ay we have the brown. Okay, we have the red and brown as well as gold. Paano natin makuha ang value? Sa pagitan ng ating carbon resistor table ay napakadali lamang. Ay tinawag natin dito sa ating table para masolve natin ang kung ilan ang value ng ganitong kulay. Okay, brown. First color is brown. First digit is 1. Okay, 1. Second significant digit niya is red. Pera ang red. Ilan ang red? 2. Meaning, you write 2. And then, multiplier is 1, 0. Meaning, this is 0. And then, gold is plus or minus 5%. Okay, ang value ng resistor natin ay 120 ohms. Okay, may maximum value and the minimum value. Dahil may 5%. Pwede tumaas sa 120 at pwede bumaba sa 120 ohms. Okay, kunin muna natin ang 5% ng 120 times 0.05. Okay, 0, 10, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2. Okay, 5% of 120 is 6. Meaning, ang maximum value 120 plus 6. Okay, 126 ohms. Okay, ang minimum value naman is 120 minus 6. Okay, mo 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay, we have 114 ohms. Okay, yan napakadali, no? Pag ang kulay ay brown, red, brown, no? 120 ohms, maximum value is 126 ohms at saka minimum value niya ay 114 ohms. Halimbawa naman, okay, we have the red, orange, and blue. We have the silver. Okay. First significant digit niyang red is 2. Orange. Sana orange. Ito, 3. Blue is the multiplier. How many zero ang blue? Is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Meaning 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 23 million ohms. Okay, para ito ma-convert, para wala ang number of zeros. So, makita naman ma-convert na conversion, no? 1,000 ohms equals 1 kilo ohms. 10,000 ohms equals 10 kilo ohms. 100,000 ohms equals 100 kilo ohms. 1 million ohms equals 1 mega ohms. Pili natin ito i-cancel, ano? Ang 6 zeros. Ang lumabas ay 23 mega ohms. Meaning 23 million ohms. Okay, cross out at ang 6 na zero, naging 23 mega ohms. Plus or minus, silver is 10%. Okay. Maaaring siya tumaas sa 23 million at maaaring siya bumaba sa 23 million. Maximum value. And minimum value. Okay, 23 times 0.1. 10%. Okay, 3, 2. Okay, decimal points 1 is 2.3. Meaning, 10% of 23 million mega ohms is 2,300. Okay, 23.00 para di natin maano, no? Plus 2.3. Okay, maximum value niya 0, 3, decimal 5. Okay, 25.3 mega ohms. This is the maximum value. About the minimum value? Minus lang, 23.00 minus 2.3. Okay, 0 becomes 10, 7 times 2, 0. Okay. Naging 20.7 mega ohms. Okay na madali, no? Pagkuha ng value ng resistors. Halimbawa, ang multiplier niya sa baba ay silver or gold, no? What do you think? Malaki ba ang value or maging maliit? Suppose, halimbawa ay white, gray, we have the gold and gold. Okay, white is 9, gray is 8. Gold multiplier is 0.1, meaning this one 9.8 ohms plus or minus 5%. Okay, halimbawa ang third color is black. Another example, is yellow, green, black, and silver. Okay, yellow is first color is 4. Second color is green, 5. Okay, third color multiplier is wala ang black, meaning ang value of resistor is only 45 ohms plus or minus 10%. Okay, an example. Example of multiplier is silver. Example is blue, red, silver, gold. Okay, blue is 6, red is 2, silver how many decimal point? 1, 2, 1, 2. Only the value of resistor is decimal 62 ohms plus or minus 5%. Okay, napakadali, no? Pag nasa ulo natin ito ang table ng resistors. Okay, more example. Example is violet, green, green, and gold. Okay, violet is first similar color is 7. Green is 5. And then another green is how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Kung natin class out ito, naging 7,500 kilo ohms. Okay, ohms ito. Gold plus or minus 5%. Okay, pagkaroon natin ang kanyang tolerance, pwede siya tumaas sa 7,500 kilo ohms at pwede siya bumaba sa 7,500. Okay, maximum and minimum. Okay. Para natin masaulo ang table sa loob lamang ng 1 minuto, no? Napakahirap isipin pero kaya ito masaulo ang resistors, carbon resistor ko color coding table. So magitan na magpalit ng colors sa other name, no? Halimbawa black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and white. Okay, ang black ay gawin natin na bad. Ang blue, boy. R is rock. O is R. Y is young. Gray is girl. Blue is nating bat. Violet nating B, violeta. And gray, we will make it the word gift. And W, winning lead. Meaning, bad boy Rob are younger, but Violeta give willingly. Padali, pasayo bad, 0. Boy 1, Rob 2, R 3, young is 4, girl is 5, bad is 6, Violeta is 7, give is 8, and 9 is willingly. Meaning, bad boy Rob are younger, but Violeta give willingly. 9. Okay, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, green, white. Gawin mo na lang, ay sunod mo ito. Ang unang color na black, ang bad, 0, up to 9. Napakadali kumuha ng value ng resistors. Another example, white, blue, and red, gold. Okay, white is 9, blue is 6, red is 2 zeros, plus minus 5%. Meaning 9,600 ohms or 9.6 kilo ohms plus or minus 5%. Okay, yan lamang napakadali pag masaulo mo ang carbon resistors color coding table, no? Okay, grade 7 and 8, sana ay natutunan kayo kung paano kunin ang value ng resistor sa pagitan ng ating table. Okay, see you on my next video.